Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the WordPress API. Start by registering an application and creating API keys, then choose OAuth or application passwords for authentication. Test endpoints with curl or postman and inspect JSON responses and headers. Always use HTTPS and check CORS when calling from browsers. Keep tokens secure, rotate them periodically, and log requests to troubleshoot issues. I'll show sample requests and common responses so you can build confidently. When calling core endpoints, use the correct verbs and include headers for JSON and authorization. Break large result sets with page and per page to control load and latency. For authenticated rights, send the non-C or bearer token in the authorization header and validate server responses. Check response status codes and error messages to guide retries or show user feedback. I'll walk through typical GET and POST examples and common pitfalls to avoid. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: these leak-proof containers make meal prep easy and keep your lunch safe while you test APIs or work remotely, which is oddly satisfying. They save time, reduce mess, and pair well with long development sessions. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. For production use, cache-safe GET responses and invalidate them on content updates to reduce API traffic. Respect rate limits and implement exponential backoff, plus queued retries for heavy operations. Validate and sanitize all data on the server to prevent injection and broken content, and enable detailed logging for debugging intermittent issues. Consider using webhooks for event-driven updates instead of frequent polling to improve efficiency and user experience.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.